Man, I can't believe I got fired from Starbucks coffee. Now I will work at Domino's Pizza. Welcome to Domino's Pizza. How can I help you?
I would like to get the ultimate pepperoni pizza please with a fountain drink please.
Absolutely not. You're not getting that because you fired me from the drive-in almost 25 jobs ago. So I'm not giving you an ultimate pepperoni pizza.
Okay. Let me put this in a very nice way. The reason why I fired you because you were being rude to Vanessa the Vyond Girl 2002. And was rude to the other customers as well. And this was right before you went into your new look.
Okay. Now you're just breaking the fourth wall. Just get out of here. Please.
Good riddance, Boris. I hope I never see you again. I am going home to complain about you.
Welcome to Domino's Pizza. How can I not help you?
Excuse me. That is no way for you to talk to me like that. And I know you were the same guy who was rude to the girl version of me at your last job at Starbucks. So, goodbye.
Welcome to Domino's Pizza. How can I help you?
Ha ha. Nice try. I'm not letting you be rude to me for the way you were talking to that other customer by telling him how can I not help you. Which is the opposite of what you always say. Let me see you be rude to another customer. And you'll see what happens.
God. Vanessa is a no good for nothing user.
Hey, what did you just say?
I said you are the best Go Animate user ever.
Liar, I heard what you just said. I'm not stupid, you're fired. Go home right now or else I will tell Weather Star 4000 video about what you just said about me. Now go, now.
Before I end this video, I need to tell you something. It involves the song I use for my outro. So I later realized that you need a license to use a copyright-free song. Or it will be removed from YouTube. I didn't really know that. 2 of my Go Animate friends got terminated. And I don't want to be the next one. And I know Cassie Montelongo won't like that too. So for now on, I will put a link to the copyright-free music in the description. So there's what. I'm also neutral over Chili, aka Super Mario Logan's girlfriend because she repeats the same lines every time she ends her vlogs. Which is I will see you Chili Peppers tomorrow bye. And I get very annoyed by that a lot. So I'm only neutral over her now. I used to love that user. But because she repeats the same line, I'm now neutral over her. She recently just did that during her SML behind the scenes on SML movie. Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs. And taken away. So that's the reason why I'm neutral on that user. That's all for now. This is me Elias D signing off.